I'm Jenny. I work for Redbridge Libraries and we're gearing up for this year's Fabula Reading Challenge. Here's the challenge. We want you to read the books you love, discover new ones and come and tell us about it. It's a great way to keep reading throughout the summer. So, how do you sign up? Come down to your local Redbridge library, with your library card of course, and you'll be given a special record card as part of the challenge. Once you've read your book, pop in and tell us all about it. Each book you read earns you a sticker. This tells us how many books you've read and how well you're doing. All children taking part will receive a certificate and the opportunity to be entered into the prize draw. If you don't have a library card, don't worry. Come down with your adult and we can help you get one. And don't forget our virtual library that you can access from home. The Fabula Reading Challenge starts in July and runs through to September as part of the Fabula Festival. Keep checking our website for details of our exciting programme of events, activities and workshops going on in our libraries this summer. We can't wait to see you there.